Oh. Holy shit, dude. Oh my God. How is that girl marrying me? Seriously. Whew.
Allie, Jordan wanted me to thank you for actually showing up today. I know he's said it many times, he still cannot believe that you chose him, and it's absolutely perfect, and we're all happy that you did.
As a mom and dad, you wish for your son to find love and happiness and the right person that loves him as much as you do. And you know what? Allie's the one. I can't tell you how many times when I'm talking to him during the week that he'll say to me, "Mom, you know she's the best. She gets me, Mom. I'm so lucky." And she is the best. She's like so beautiful inside and out.
Perfect. Babe, oh my God.
Welcome and thank you for joining for this joyous occasion. Together, we gather here to witness a truly special ceremony, the union of Jordan and Allison.
You can spray the cup so it's not totally dry.
Allison, I can't believe we're finally here. I get to marry my best friend. But when we met in college, I knew you were someone who would change my life. Our connection was instant, and I'd never been so drawn to anyone or so eager to be around someone all the time. The moment I knew I had no choice but to marry you was the first date we had when I visited you in Austin. Butler pitch and putt. We never really played before. We just hit the ball, we had a lot of fun until the ninth. And you stuffed a wedge from 80 yards, made a putt, bending in the middle of the hole for a birdie on your ninth hole you ever played. And had I ever met your family prior to that moment, I would have proposed right then and there on the ninth green.
Jordan, I truly feel we were put on this earth to find each other. So many decisions and choices had to play out in each of our lives just right for us to meet, and especially to reconnect years later. When I was a little girl, I was never one to think about a big fairy tale wedding or a dream of the dress I would get married in. But it was early on when we first were getting to know each other. We were just being friends. You had taken me to Deanna's for pizza. We were driving back to my place. There wasn't anything specific you did to express your feelings towards me. You were just being your talkative, expressive self. You had such a passion and excitement about whatever it was. You lit up. Your energy is so magnetic. As Roy Kent said in Ted Lasso, meeting the right person should make you feel like you've been struck by lightning. And in that moment, I felt that feeling, that I had met the right person for me.
As you stand here today before friends and family, realize that you are preparing to celebrate one of life's greatest gifts, the depths of which you have only begun to explore. Your level of love and commitment is something that many seek, but not everyone finds. The bond you share is a rarity in this world, and its fruits are more valuable than any precious stone or metal. Marriage, of course, is more than a formal exchange of rings. It is a sacred, solemn promise to one another that no matter what, You're in this together. I now formally pronounce Jordan and Allison to be husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.
Chasing your heart, my love is yours to hold. Through every high, every low, our love will only grow. And
I vow to remain the guy you fell in love with. And finally, I vow to grow old with you and to enjoy every minute of it. Al, you're not only my best friend, my whole heart. I love you so much. I couldn't be happier I get to be your husband.
is all for you. It's all for you.